So the very first method what you need to do is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon. Now click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam, and after that try to launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, and here under general have to type -t x11 and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, type -t x12 and then try to launch the game and check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as admin. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, again come back, select disable full screen optimization, hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that launch the game and check. Next is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall, change settings. After that here you have to search for the game if it's listed. So first of all search for the game over here. The game is listed. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list. After that select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and after that click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to update Windows. So make sure your Windows is up to date. For that go to the Windows search for settings. After that click on Windows update option, click on check for updates, and this will check if there is any update available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next method is to check the graphic settings of the game. So you should check if the graphic settings are properly set up or not. Most of the time the graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc. So you should check if the graphic settings is properly set, or even lower the graphic settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issues. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. You just have to copy and paste it in your browser. Now once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, click on it to open. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, and after that wait for some time. Now close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and then check. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search for settings. After that here you have to search for graphic settings. So search for graphic settings, and here you have to add your game to the list. For that click on add a desktop app. After that go to the game folder, select the game application, add it to the list over here, and after that click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. But if the issue still continues, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Tides of Tomorrow game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.